Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Angel Liz. So today, you guys, I am doing a keto friendly chili. So what I'm going to be using is 2 pounds of grass-fed ground beef. The reason I have 2 different kinds is because I had the smaller pack already and I said that's not going to be enough, so I actually got another pack from Sprouts. So the veggies I'm going to be using, that's 1 whole chopped onion. It's a kind of a small onion. I have half of a green bell pepper, and I have some chopped celery. I have some tomato sauce, tomato paste, and for my seasonings, I have iodized sea salt. I have cumin, oregano, black pepper, paprika, my Chipotle powder. I hope that focused. I have chili powder, a little bit of onion powder, and I have my beef bouillon, and I have my kitchen bouquet just to brown it a little bit. And I'm going to be using minced garlic, which I don't have out, but I am going to be adding minced garlic and a can of diced tomatoes. Now, the reason I say this is keto friendly is because there are no beans, there's no cracker meal, stuff that people normally put in chili to thicken it. I'm not using that. So I'm going to get everything together and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and what I have going here in the skillet is my ground beef, and I have some seasonings in my ground beef. I use about a teaspoon of salt, maybe half, no, it was more like half a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, some onion powder in my ground beef. And then over here in my Dutch oven, and the shadow is gone, sorry guys, I have my vegetables sweating, just cooking down a little bit. Sorry for the steam. The reason I cook them separate is because this Dutch oven is so heavy that I don't want to, because I'm going to have to drain some of the fat off the meat, so it's better for me to just cook it in this skillet. And then I'm going to add the tomatoes and everything once I get the meat browned and mixed in with the vegetables. And I'll be right back to show y'all how it looks as it starts to boil. Okay, you guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, it's boiling vigorously. I added the diced tomatoes, I added a little bit of water, and of course I had all the garlic and vegetables, and I added all the seasonings. And so I'm gonna probably let this boil. I'm gonna turn it down and let it simmer, probably for about 45 minutes to an hour, and I will show you how it looks when it's finished. Okay, you guys, I'm back, and this is about 45 minutes later, and as you can see, it's thickened nicely. So I will definitely put all the ingredients in the description box below, and I will be sure to put measurements for people who like to have measurements. I don't particularly cook with measurements, but I'll make sure that I do my best to put that in the description box. But I will be doing a video on eating this and what I eat it with. But please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, drop me a comment and let me know what you think, and feel free to share my video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.